The S41 is the latest uber-rugged smartphone from building site veteran CAT. It's a rugged handset with all the trimmings of a modern smartphone, aimed at DIY enthusiasts, white van folks and people who regularly find themselves in hazardous environments. It lacks the FLIR thermal imaging sensor that made the older CAT S60 so interesting, but by offering buyers exactly what it says on the tin, the S41 earns its place as one of the best ruggedized handsets yet. The CAT S41 is middle of the pack when it comes to performance. The 2.3 GHz, octa-core Qualcomm MTK P20MT6757 CPU is a mid-range slab of silicon that emphasizes power efficiency over grunt and, while I maintain 3 GB RAM is plenty for most users, you can get more at this price point.